Dear students, well-wishers and friends, welcome to another video with Rayhan. Today I'm going to discuss on how to fill IELTS listening answer sheet. So stay and stick around for a couple of minutes. IELTS test is meant for intelligent personality and active mind. Many a time IELTS candidate scores less due to lack of experience in filling the IELTS listening answer sheet. Filling in correct answers in spite of correct answers disappoints IELTS candidate. This video will elaborate on how to fill IELTS answer in the answer sheet. These will explain rules of filling the IELTS answer sheet and how you can utilize your 10 minutes to transfer your answer to your answer sheet. Step 1. Before you start your listening exam, you need to shade your center number, write full name in capital letters, shading test date having a day, month and year. Make sure you fill it correctly using a pencil, as you are not allowed to use pens in the answer sheet. Step 2. While answering your listening question in the question paper provided to you, make sure that you write every spelling in capital letters. This is because sometimes the writing is so confusing that the examiner or computer is not able to understand what is written. But in case of capital letters, the letter remains universal and thus creates no confusion. Step 3. Once you have answered all your question in the question paper, there will be a time of 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Here is a caveat. If you miss your sequence of answering, you may answer A for question 10 instead of answer B, which was for question 9. Hence, after carefully inspecting the answer and the questions, you must write the answer on your answer sheet. Also make sure that the spelling are written in capital letters, which is important to avoid mistakes. And yes, capital letters are allowed in the IELTS listening exam. But for reading and writing, this is not the case, and you must write your answers as per the scenario. Step 4. Do not write anything in the marker initial sections, band score and listening total sections, as this part is only for examiner purpose. Step 5. Once you are done with answering in your answer sheet, you need to cross verify that the answer and the sequence match the correct sequence and answer. To conclude, 10 minutes is sufficient time to transfer your answers. However, you must not be lazy in transferring your answer. You must also make sure that you may take care of the above points to make sure that you fill your answer meticulously. Dear friends, well-wishers and students, if the video is helpful for you, please share and comment. And if you have any question, please ask me. I'm ready to answer you all the questions. Thank you very much. See you with another video and sometimes later.